Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install Claude Code in Cursor. First, open Cursor on your computer and load any project or workspace. Once Cursor is open, you need to access the integrated terminal. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard. If you are using a Mac, press Command and J. This will open the terminal inside Cursor. Now first type this first command and press Enter. This will grant the terminal some required permissions to install Claude Code. Next, install Claude Code globally by running a simple command. In the terminal, type npm install git anthropic /Claude Code. Then press Enter and wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, you need to set up Claude Code for the first time. In the same terminal, type Claude. Press Enter to continue. Claude Code will generate a link that opens in your web browser. Follow that link and sign into your Anthropic account if required. Then complete the authorization process to connect Claude Code to your account. Once authentication is finished, return to Cursor. Claude Code will be ready to use. Thanks for watching.